Welcome back to Insight. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of electrical to discuss a fundamental concept: how to check and calculate equivalent resistance. Whether you are a student grappling with circuit analysis or a DIY electronic enthusiast, understanding equivalent resistance is key. Stick around as we break down the process step by step. Before we jump into calculation, let's briefly cover what equivalent resistance is. In a circuit, resistors can be combined to simplify the circuit into a single resistor that has the same effect on the current flow. This single resistor is known as the equivalent resistance. There are two common ways resistors can be arranged: in series or in parallel. In series, resistances simply add up. In parallel, it's a bit more complex, but we will get there. Now, let's move to the practical aspect of checking and calculating equivalent resistance. To get started, you will need a circuit with resistors in series and or parallel, a digital multimeter, pen and paper for calculations. Let's start with resistors in series. Here's what you do. Use your multimeter to measure the resistance across each resistor. Add up the individual resistances to get the total resistance in series. Now let's move on to resistors in parallel. The process is a bit more involved. Measure the resistors across each resistor. Use the formula for parallel resistors. And there you have it. You have learned how to check and calculate equivalent resistors in a circuit. Whether you are a student or a hobbyist, mastering this skill is essential for understanding and designing electrical and electronic circuits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more electrical and electronic tutorials and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and keep experimenting with electrical and electronics.